So I'm out here enjoying myself, hanging out in the forest. Just had some dinner, and I'm gonna do something special right now. I'm going to answer a very important question in life. Absolutely critical question. This is a profound statement that I want to share with everyone. Of course, the question is, what happens after the first cup of coffee is finished? Well, I'm here to tell you, my friends, the special secret information, the secret of life. What happens after the first cup of coffee? Well, my friends, the second cup of coffee. And this is a great truth I gladly share with you.